what is going on? Riley here. Currently, I'm at the front of a 35-40 car convoy on our way to Houston Cars and Coffee. So I had a little pre-meet thing this morning at a local Chick-fil-A. A lot more people showed up than I was expecting, so I don't really know if you could see all this in the mirror, but literally it's just cars. It's like rush hour traffic, but it's all race cars, including my buddy Abe's bolt-on Z06, which that thing looks so good going down the road. So this should be a pretty fun day. We're gonna go to Cars and Coffee first, and then afterwards, I'm going to tell you guys what ended up happening to my 6th gen Camaro 1LE. Hint, hint, it's destroyed, but now we have pictures. So get ready for the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, it should be a fun cruise. Well, we have made it to Cars and Coffee with the squad. That was probably, honestly, about 40 cars deep rolling down here together. But this might look a little different to some of you because they moved the location of Houston Cars and Coffee to a different parking lot of Memorial City Mall. So this is my first time actually being here since they moved it. Honestly, not a huge fan at the current moment. I like the old parking situation better. But we will go, what are y'all doing? But we will go walk around and check out some cars. I'm sure the cars will still be great. So yeah, enjoy. We interrupt this broadcast to bring you 44,000 unread emails. You should probably get started, buddy.
You got it? Riley, please get some video. Yeah.
Wow, look at the logo. Wow.
Videos? Y'all took the camera or something like that?
Oh, it was Kyle and Zach. Looks more like Kyle. I'm going to record his iPhone really over me.
Line him up, lock him up.
That's what I'm doing!
That was a terrible shot. What just happened?
One up now with the Raptor.
All right.
Oh, that's me right now.
All right.
Bring the truck on my new one.
That's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that footage from Cars and Coffee. It's always a great time going out there and seeing all the cool cars and meeting people. So yeah, that was pretty fun. But now it's time to talk about why you probably clicked on this video in the first place, and that is showing off what happened to my 2017 Camaro SS 1LE. Now I sold my Camaro about 10 months ago or so, and when I sold it to a place called Texas Direct Auto, and they gave me a fair deal for my car. I said, cool, sold the car, bought a Hellcat, went on about my life. I always kind of figured that, you know, somebody might buy that car, somehow get in contact with me, because, you know, a 1LE is kind of a special car. Not many people go out of their way to buy one unless, you know, they know what it is. Well, several months down the road, I went back to that same Texas Direct Auto and talked to the same guy that basically bought that car from me, and he said, hey, your Camaro, yeah, it was destroyed. And I actually made a video about that a while back here on the channel and let you guys know, hey, my Camaro was destroyed, but I had, you know, no evidence of that. I didn't know anything about it. Now, however, I have evidence of that. So a few days ago, I was checking my messages on Instagram, and I had a message from this guy right here, and it basically was a bunch of pictures of a destroyed, burned, whatever you want to call it, blue Camaro. And I was like, man, that kind of looks like mine. So I looked at it really closely. I noticed it had 1LE badges on the fender, which mine did. I noticed the SS badge on the front grille was taken off, and I was like, there's a small chance that could be my car. And then he sent the VIN number. I said, okay, well, this is going to be the make or break moment. I can, you know, match this VIN, and that's either my car or it's not. So, sure enough, pull out my phone, and I still had my VIN number saved. Checked it. Yeah, that was my car. So I will play you guys some pictures over here on, I guess, on that side of the screen. So these are all the pictures that I have of the car. Honestly, I don't know what happened to it. I just know that somehow it looks like a fire started at the rear of the vehicle and worked its way forward. There's been several people on Instagram that have told me, you know, I should go buy the car back, but quite honestly, I don't think much of that car is very salvageable in its current condition. The car is currently in Kentucky at like a salvage yard or something. It's on a Copart website. That's how I found it, or the guy found it rather. And on there it says it's burned. It says the car does not run, motor does not start, and yeah, so I think that thing is pretty much toast. But it really makes you wonder, you know, what actually happened. Let's say, for example, I have kept that car for a month longer. Would it have, you know, exploded and caught on fire under my possession? Or was it a car next to the Camaro that caught on fire and the fire just kind of went over to that car? I mean, it really just makes you wonder what on earth happened. So if anybody by chance knows, I don't know, you know, never know. But if anybody knows what happened, I would love to hear what happened and, you know, just get an update because I'm curious. But yeah, so that is my old car, and it's pretty tough to see, you know, your old car that, you know, you took such good care of and had a lot of good memories with, and to see it in that state, it was pretty tough when I saw it for the first time. So that just about sums up today's video. I just wanted to share that with you because I figured some of you would be curious, and it's kind of a wild story. I mean, you don't usually see your old car in that that state. So I just thought I would share that with you and just, you know, show off a little Cars and Coffee video while I was at it. But this week I am dropping the Corvette off to get a cam installed, which is what the camera is sitting on currently. So the Corvette goes in for a cam and all of the other goodies, so it should be making a lot more power. It will sound totally different, so I'm really excited for that. And then also this coming Thursday, I fly to Phoenix, Arizona to do the SRT Bondurant track experience with SRT Mush. So basically we just get to drive a couple of Hellcats around a racetrack and do whatever else they have you do. So really looking forward to that. Can't ever argue with driving someone else's car on a racetrack. And then when I come back from Phoenix, Arizona, the car hopefully will be done, and then we get to have videos of the car doing all kinds of cammed things, so exciting. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned for all the fun stuff we have coming up in the coming weeks, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take it easy, guys.
Send it!
Did you have to
Send it!
You put it in neutral.
God. Don't, please don't.
Oh my God.
There we go.
Send it! That was a force.
Sam, do a wheelie.
Ooh, look who it is. That guy Marin.
That's good.
Good seeing you, brother. I'll see you soon.
All right, sounds good.
Hopefully the next owner of this car may be watching this video, and hopefully I'll maybe see this one again. But yeah, here's the final look, guys. This is our final goodbyes. Sean, what do you think, buddy?
I don't know. I'm sad to see it go, but I'm kind of excited. I like bit my tongue. But yeah, I mean, Hellcat, man.
Both of these vehicles are in absolutely perfect condition. Like, both of them have been great, not a single issue with either one of them. So it's not like I'm getting rid of them because something's wrong with them. It's literally getting rid of them just to get a Hellcat, and that's my only real reason.